Today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to change the air intake temperature sensor on your 1990 Volvo 740 GL with Regina fuel injection system. So it's pretty simple. You're going to start things off by loosening up your hose clamp on your intake boot. Mine just happens to be a flathead. After loosening your hose clamp, pull your boot back, disconnect from the air box, and disconnect your sensor. There it is. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to pull this out. Bad, clogged up, gross. Then after you get everything out, you're going to take your new sensor. You'll notice on the boot that there's a casting, so your sensor can only go in one way. You line it up with the flat spot. And gently get her in. Make sure that the flat tab is going with the flat tab. New sensor is installed. What I'm going to do, put it back in the air box. Clip it back in place. Grab my intake boot. Put that back on the pipe. Get it nice and snug. Reinstall your wire. And that's how you replace your intake air temperature sensor. On a Bosch model, you'd have a mass airflow sensor, but with the Regina, aka square coil, you have a map sensor, which is located under this box. It has a three tab plug-in that you can't see, and a vacuum line that comes out of it and goes directly into the intake manifold. But with the Reginas, you got the map sensor and then the air intake temperature sensor. But that's how you replace it.